the other side of the train tracks. A classic tale of Romeo and Juliet playback. I was from the city, the inner port. She was from the hills, attending fancy dinner parties. But still, we managed to see each other. I had a weekly bus pass. She has a Mercedes C-Class and trust it was much faster. I am a rapper, she is a classic pianist. I sleep in boxers while she has a pair of fancy pajamas. When we're together, both the social status don't even matter. We should just go to Nevada, get married and don't ever look back. She was the classiest, sassy with a passion for fashion, sets fashion on any of those nasty ass hood rats. Uncomparable, but only if her parents approved. Maybe they got something against Asian American dudes. Just playing, either way I'm saying it's just terrible news. Can't give you 14 carats, but can serenade you with tunes.
You and me, we are two stars from different galaxies. Will we cross or be aligned? I guess that we'll see inside.
I swig on 40 ounces, she sips on champagne. She has a huge backyard, I do the landscaping. I get her single roses, she gets me Laker tickets. Call her on my prepaid phone when I can't wait to kick it. We're quite the odd couple, but who are you to judge? I know it don't make sense, you could call it stupid love, but it's the whole world against us. They could try to stop us, but we're going out like gangsters. I know that I'm hated by her camp, but I swear this'll end like the Lady and the Tramp. I'm just waiting for my chance. They keep saying that she's way too good for me. Sometimes I wish sugar mama was sugar free. Cause I ain't in it for the dough, I ain't digging for the gold. I just wanna show all y'all what both of us been knowing. I don't want any problems or any of the dollars. I just want y'all to leave us alone and don't call us.
You and me, we are two stars from different galaxies. Will we cross or be aligned? I guess that we'll see inside. You and me, we are two stars from different galaxies. Will we cross or be aligned? I guess that we'll see inside.
They can try to stop us, but we're going out like gangsters. It's the whole world against us. They can try to stop us, but we're going out like gangsters.
It's not us. It's everything around us.
But I'll take you away. When nothing can get to us.
Anyone?
You and me, we are two stars from different galaxies. Will we cross or be aligned? I guess that we'll see inside. You and me, we are two stars from different galaxies. Will we cross or be aligned? I guess that we'll see inside.